Good day mga kagabay, this is Bicol Tour Guide. Join me and watch my video Siram, Pagkaon Bicolnon. It is a circuit validation tour of the Department of Tourism Regional Office 5 for the Culture, Gastronomic, and Culinary Tour. This is to showcase the best culture and food experience in the northeastern part of Albay. Come, let's go see and taste the best culture and culinary of Tabaco City, the municipality of Tiwi, and Bacacay Albay. For the final days of this validation tour, Siram, Pagkaon Bicolnon, we will explore the best gastronomic and culinary tour on the northeastern part of Albay, the perfect destination. For tobacco, right after the breakfast, in the local carinderia, we visit important landmark in Tabaco City. Tabaco City Hall, an American-type residential building during the American occupation. It was established in the year 1929. The Tabaco Church, an 18th century-old church in Albay, a design as earthquake Baroque style. And after that, we visit pasalubong shopping with the different varieties of abaca product, pili product, and local industry, which is the metal craft in Tabaco City. Our lunch was prepared by their in-house chef of Molabi Cafe and Craft, where sumptuous food was served to us, and they gave us chance to visit their abaca handicraft. Visiting Tabaco, you don't need to miss marcasotes or the egg cake. This is one of the famous food products in the city of Tabaco, and it's known in the whole country already because it's similar with the Portuguese sponge cake. It is made from egg, flour, and sugar as the main ingredients. It was cooked in a different style because it was cooked in a giant pot, served as oven to cook. Is traditional made by Borgonia's family in Barangay Salvacion of the city of Tabaco. After lunch, it's time to explore Tiwi, Albay, the northernmost municipality in the province of Albay. The local ceramic industry that produce a unique terracotta product or displayed ceramic is one of the highlights, and the tourists will experience to make their own ceramic craft through the help of the expert ceramic craftsman. Casa Simeon is an old house established in 1921. The house is owned by Simon Alparce, a well-known family in the town of Bacacay Albay. This Spanish-American house was converted into bed and breakfast and restaurant serving Bicol and Filipino traditional food. Cooking demo is one of the highlights of our visit here, and at the same time, the dinner will be served. Come, let us learn the tinutungan ng manok, a Bicol traditional food. This is Bicol Tour Guide. Thank you for watching my video. Siram, Pagkaon Bicolnon, a flavorful food of Bicol. Diyos mabalos!